Welcome student in standard 8 and subject is general science and chapter number 6. Name of the chapter composition of matter in Marathi called as द्रव्याचे संघटन. State of matter solid, liquid and gases. Solid having definite shape and definite volume. Liquid having no indefinite shape but definite volume. And third is that gaseous gases having indefinite volume and indefinite shape. In between this, there are depending upon intermolecular force of attraction. Now, these three types of state of matter and another type of matter also in three types. One of them is element, second is compound, and third is mixture. Now, before start, element nitrogen molecules is N2 by N2. Here, element nitrogen molecules N2. N is symbol of nitrogen and which formula is N2. Here, combination of N plus N is equal to N2. Another example of an element is oxygen molecules, that means O2. It means that O plus O is equal to O2. Here, element constitutes substance of element is only one. It's that and itself, just like chlorine, Cl2. It means that Cl plus Cl is equal to Cl2. Therefore, constituent substance of element is only one, and it is that element itself. All the atoms and molecules of an element like. Then all the atoms in molecule of an element are alike and are joined to each other by chemical bond. Atoms oblique molecules of different elements are different. Then second thing is compound. You know that the elements are limited, but these elements is a combination with more and more infinitely compound are produced. Here example is nitrogen dioxide and its molecular formula is NO2 on page number 41. Nitric oxide molecule NO. Here N means nitrogen and O means oxygen. They are combination of two atoms, but both are different. In compound, constituent substance of an compound is only one, and it is that compound itself. Third is all the molecule of compound are alike. The constituent of atoms of a molecule of a compound are two or more types and are joined to each other by chemical bond. In this compound, the proportion of constituent element in a compound is constant. If properties of a compound are different than those of the constituent element. And the third type of is mixture. The example is mixture of N2 and NO2. Mixture of N2 and O2. The example of mixture. Also, yes, also, then third, constituent substance of a mixture are two or more elements and or compound. Here is important that two in mixture. Third, atoms molecules of a mixture are of two or more types. Third, Therefore, the constituent molecule of mixture are different from each other and are not joined by chemical bond, but in element and compound are by chemical bond, but in mixture are not joined by chemical bond. Here, for the proportion of a constituent substance in a mixture can change. It can be anytime change, but in compound, the element in compound is constant. The difference between of them, like the properties of a constituent substance are retained in the mixture. No change in property in a mixture. Therefore, now start from first element compound mixture, schematic, submicroscopic picture and characteristic. The important thing is water a compound, but in this year totally reduce, but you know that about water is compound because pure water is a compound formed by chemical combination of the elements hydrogen and oxygen. Two elements are present in water. The chemical formula of water is H2O. H means hydrogen, O for oxygen. Whatever may be the source of water, the proportion of a constituent element oxygen and hydrogen by weight is always 8 raised to 1. 8 part is oxygen and 1 part is hydrogen, respectively. Hydrogen is an inflammable gas while oxygen gas support combustion. However, the compound water formed by chemical combination on the gaseous element hydrogen and oxygen is a liquid. It is neither inflammable nor does it support combustion. On the contrary, it helps to extinction fire. म्हणजे आग विझण्यासाठी या ठिकाणी पाण्याचा वापर केला जातो. डू यू नो? सेकंड थिंग इज दॅट एक्झाम्पल इन लिक्विड फॉर्म milk. Milk is a mixture. Water is compound and milk is mixture. Milk is a mixture of water. Another lactose, fats, protein and few more substance. The proportion of various ingredient of milk is different as per its source. The proportion of fats in cow milk is 3-5%. Fat in cow milk 3 to 3-5%, while in buffalo 6 to 9% in buffalo milk. The ingredient water is naturally present in large proportion in milk. Most of this in milk, large portion of water. Therefore, milk is exist in liquid state. The sweetness of milk is due to the ingredient called lactose. In other words, the properties of constituent substance are retained in milk. Then again, next point is types of element. Now, types of element. There are 3 types of element. First is metal, second is non-metal, and third is metallurgy. Are 3 types of element. Once again, types of element. First is metal, non-metal, and metalloid. Now start first metal. Example is metal, sodium, then iron, then aluminum, gold, silver are the example of element. Second thing, non-metal example is that oxygen, chlorine. Most of non-metal occurs in gaseous state, nitrogen also non-metal, carbon. Then metalloid. Metalloid having both metal and non-metal properties. So it is called as metalloid. Okay. Example is silicon and arsenic. Example is silicon and arsenic. Okay.